In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a full-width slider on your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to showcase images or other content prominently on your site, giving your visitors an engaging experience right from the moment they land on your page. So, let's dive into it and start from the beginning. First, you'll need to open the Wix website. Go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already done so. Once you're logged in and on the Wix dashboard, the next step is to navigate to your website. You'll want to click on your site to open it up in the editor. This is where all the magic happens, where you can customize and bring your visions to life. With your site open in the editor, look towards your left-hand menu bar and locate the Add Elements section. Click on it to reveal a variety of options you can add to your site. Wix offers a plethora of elements, from shapes to videos and more. But today, our focus is on the Gallery option, so go ahead and click on Gallery. Once you've opened the Gallery option, your next move is to find the Slider Gallery. This is what will help us create that full-width slider we're aiming for. Click on Slider Gallery. You'll notice several preset slider options you can choose from. Find one that fits your style or the aesthetic of your site. This part is entirely up to you and depends on how you want your slide to look and feel. Once you've made your choice, click on it and it will automatically be added to your page. You'll see it appear on your screen, ready for customization. However, at this stage, it might not span the full width of your screen. To adjust this, we need to make one simple change. Click on your newly added slider to bring up the editing menu. From here, look for the Stretch option. This is what allows you to make the slider extend across the entire width of your page, giving it that professional, edge-to-edge look. Click on Stretch, and you'll see the slider stretch to the full width. And there you have it. Your full width slider is now in place. But before we finish, let's take a moment to preview your site and see how it looks live. This is a great way to ensure everything appears just as you want it. Locate the Preview button at the top of your Wix editor and click it. This will give you a sneak peek of your website with the new full width slider in action. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added a visually striking element to your website. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to stay tuned for more useful tips and guides for your website building journey.